Let's do a Sudoku puzzle. The rules of this is the digits here are increasing from smallest at the bulb to largest at the tip. So what that means is this, if we have a 1 here, has to be on the tip, right? And you can't possibly have a 9 here. If you can't have a 9 here, and as standard Sudoku rules apply, none of these 8 bulbs can be a 9, so this is going to be our 9. The other thing is one of these has to be an 8, right? Which means it has to be here, which means this is 9, because if this is an 8, then this has to be 9 and it can't keep going up. You know what I mean? Same thing. This has to be 7, 8, 9. Boom. And that means our 6 is one of these 3. 6, 6, 6. You're not a 6. You're a 6. Interesting. We don't know which one is a 1. It could be a lot of these. If this is a 6, this would have to be, so this can't be a 6, because this would have to be 7, 8, 9. But 7 and 8 are here. If you're a 6, this would have to be 7, 8, 9. So you can't be a 6. So you're a 6, which means this is 7, 8, 9. Cool. Which means our 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, you can't be a 5, which means you can't be a 5, which means you can't be a 5. So one of our 5s is here or here. Is our 4. Our 4 could technically be here. So it'd be 5, 6, 7, 8, which works there. 5, 6, 7, oh, it could be 6, 5, 6. This has to be 7 or 8. So you're the 5. Because this would be 5, 6 works, 7 and 8 don't work, can't skip to 9 either. So you can't be the 5. Okay. I guess this could be 6. It could be 7, 8, 9. No, it can't be 7, 8, 9. So you have to be 6. You have to be 7. And you have to be 8. Otherwise, it'll end up matching this at some point. Awesome. Super easy. All right. Next, 4. You're most likely 4, but you're not guaranteed to be 4. Because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know, okay, so you 2. Okay, so 4 is one of these. If you're 4, it has to be 4, 5, which works, 6, which works. 6 does not work, so you can't be 4. So 4 is down here. Okay, 4. 5, 6, 7 works. You can't be a 6. If it's, okay, you can't be a 9. So you can't be a 7. So you can't be a 6, so you have to be a 5. Because if it's 7, 7 matches here, 7, 8, 9. If you're an 8, you can't be an 8, so you have to be a 7, so you have to be a 6. Cool. 3, I mean, logic would tell me that you're now a 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? I guess we could also skip one in there, but you could also be a 3, you could also be a 3. So I don't think we know anything there yet anymore. We know this is sequential, 1, 2, 3, because it counts upward. So now we have this whole box done. That's amazing. We don't know the rest of this though. We'll come back to that. Here, this is counting up. It has to be 1. Because there has to be a 1 here, it has to be here. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that means the 1 is here. So this is 2, 3, 4. That's the only way this can satisfy. And this can't be a 1 because this is a 1. Awesome. Once again, this grid has to have a 1, so it's one of these. It has to be here because it can't be here because of this. 2 is already taken here as well, so you're 3. What are you? You're 1, 2, 3. You're 4. My guess is you're going to be a 5. What are the 2 I'm missing here? 1, 2, and 5? You can't be 2, so you're 2, you're 5. Holy shit, we got the whole left side. Look at that. Look at that. So we have to have a 1 here. So one of these 3s are 1, our 2, and our 3. So, bam. You have to be the 3. which means you have to be the 2, which means you have to be the 1. Makes perfect sense. So that means 4, 5, 6 are these 3 numbers here. You can't be 4 or 5, so you're 6. You can't be 4, so you're 5, which means you're 4. Sorry. Awesome. Easy. I mean, I think we can just keep continuing this trend where it just keeps counting up perfectly sequentially. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You can't be a 1, you can't be a 1, you can't be a 1. I have to have a 1 here. It's one of these. Okay. Our 1 and our 9 is in these grids here. It can't be here. So you could be a 1, you could be a 1, you could be a 1. Why can't you be a 1? Why can't you be a 1? Oh, I have a 1 in that box. You can be a 9. You can't, you can't. You can be a 9. You can't, you can't. So our 1 is one of these two, our 9 is one of these two. Other numbers, I mean, this could be 7. First time I'm stalling a little bit. Let me think. Okay. I feel like using these boxes to our advantage would be helpful now. Let me think what you can be. I mean, we're counting up sequentially, so I don't have to worry about you guys, right? This is 5 through 9. This is 6 through 9. I mean, this is, I guess I could do this. You're 7 or 8, which means you're 8 or 9. You can't be 9, so you're 8, which means you're 7. Okay, easy. 4 makes the most sense. Oh, I guess you don't have to be a 1. You just can't be a 1. So these numbers are 1, 2, 4, and 5 here. You can't be 1 or 2, so you're 4 or 5. You're 4 or 5, which means this is 1, 2, which means this is 1, 2. Same thing here. We have you're 6, 7, 9. You can't be 7, so you're 6. You can't, so you're 6. You could be 7 or not, so you're 7. You could be whatever. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm stumped. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. So this has to be 3, 4, 5. Why can't it be 5? I have a 5 right here. Okay. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 3 or 4. Okay. You're 1 or 9 exclusively? Or just, no, not exclusively. I haven't done that yet. You could be 1, you could be 2, not 2. Why not 2? 2, you could be 3, you could be 4, can't be 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you're 1, 3, 4, 9. I believe you are also 1, 3, 4, 9. But you could also be 6. No, 6 is right here. Yeah, okay. You're 3 or 4. You are 1, 3, 4, or 9. But not 1 or 9. You're 3, 4. Which means you can't be 3, 4. Which means you can't be 3, 4. So it's 1, 9, 1, 9. 7, 8, 9, 1. So this is 2 through 6. Can't be 6. Can't be 4. So it's 2, 3, 5. You're 2 through 6. Can't be. You're just 2 through 6. Can't be 4. So you're 2, 3, 5. You are 5 through 9. Obviously can't be 8 or 9. Can't be 7. Can't be 6. You're 5. Which is awesome. You're 6, 7. You can't be 7 or 8, so you just have to be 6. You're whatever. I don't care. You're 2 or 3, which means the rest of this box needs 8 or 9. You can't be 8, which means you're 8. I believe. Let me think. You can't be 8. So you're 8, which means you're 9. Which means you're 9. Which means you're 1. Which means you're 4. Which means you're 3. Which means you're 2. Which means you're 3. Which means you're 4. Which means you're 1. Which means you're 2. Which means you're 5. Holy shit. Holy shit. We are cooking. 13 minutes. All right. I do think I could have gotten this a bit faster. I already know some stuff over here. I just want to talk for a bit and let my brain rest. Because this just counts sequentially. I mean, you're picking up a pattern. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Even though this bulb doesn't have to count exactly sequentially, that's just how this puzzle has worked out. And it makes sense that that pattern is going to continue that way. It just makes sense. So, I mean, I picked that up. I kept saying I'm going to guess that. And then right after that, it counts sequentially again, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counts sequentially, even though the bulb doesn't go all the way there. Count sequentially, counts sequentially, counts sequentially, sequentially the whole way, sequentially 1, sequentially, and I bet the whole puzzle is like that. Just a pattern that I've noticed. Whoa, how did I do that? That's cool. So our 3s are here, here, whatever. Don't care about that. So you're 8 or 9. You're 7, 8, or 9. You can be any number of things. Now the bulbs are going backwards. This is going to trip me up a little bit. You're going to be the first one I solve for sure. Okay. Our 1 has to be on one of these. Means our 9 has to be on one of these. But I could also just go 9. So our 9 can be here, here, or here. You can't be here. But I need a 9 on this column. Oh, easy. So I need a 9 up here. I have a 9 here. I have a 9 here, which means 9 has to be here because it has to be in this row, and it can't be here or, oh, it could be there. One of these is a 9. Let's do 1 now. 1 can't be here, here, or here. 1 has to be in this row. So 1 is here or here. 2 has to be in this row. 2 could be anywhere. Whatever. I don't know if this is the best way to solve that. Let's just keep doing 1s and 9s everywhere. Here we have 1 or 9 here. 1 can't be here, so our 1 is here. Here, our 9 is also in here, but it could be anywhere. Just to figure out what numbers I need here, I do need 1, 8, 9. Technically, these can be 8 as well. There's no reason they can't be. You just can't be 1. Okay, let's do the same thing here. The other number that I need here is 2. And there's no reason 2 can't be there. Oh, this is cake. Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. I know what numbers these are and they just count sequentially. Oh my god, how did I not realize that? 1, 2, 3. Which means you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're just 6, 7, 8. Which means you. Whoa, that's not what I wanted. Hello? 6, 7, 8, which means you are 4, 5, 6. I see it's giving me hints now. I don't really like that. 2, 9. I said 9. 1, which means 3, 4, 5 is here. I don't know where yet. I don't think. You can't be 4. You could be 3 or 5. We'll come back to that. Okay. You have to be 9, which makes sense. Which means you have to be 8, which means you have to be 1. Here, we need 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4, 2, maybe. Also 2, 3, 4, obviously. You can't be 2, so you're 3, 4, 2, 7, because it's screaming at me. The other number we need here is 8 and 9. This can't be 9, so I guess, yeah, it just counts sequentially the whole way. I really hope this isn't 5, 6, 7. If this is just the easiest puzzle of all time. I mean, it's 5, 6, 7. 5 can go here, 6 and 7 can't. 6 can go here, 5 and 7 can't. 7 can go here only. And then, what were the numbers I needed here? 3, 4, 5. You're 4. You're 3. Bam! That's how you do it, baby. That was fun. I enjoyed that one. It was pretty easy, though. I mean, if we just look at it, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of weird down here. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, there's a lot of patterns here. That's pretty standard in Sudoku, I guess, but I mean, this is kind of weird, I guess. I mean, this is literally just sequential, sequential, all the way through. Sequential to here, sequential backwards. Interesting. That was a fun one. I enjoyed it.